Hi there, welcome to a tutorial of switch case in Godot. That's actually a match word. So let's begin with a value that's an integer, and I'm gonna give you this value of 1. And then we can simply use the match keyword like that, and we can switch over the value. And the way you do that is declaring here the value we want, and then we can do whatever we want. So I'm gonna print we got 0, and then we can do as much as we want. For this case is matching over an integer value, so let's do some more. And then for default value we have to do the underline case, and we can say we got nothing, and we can test it and say we got 1, or maybe we got 2, or maybe we got another case that prints we got nothing. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more.